we delve deep into the pivotal role of the chart of accounts in accounting practices and explore how exactly ChatGPT can optimize your financial processes. The chart of accounts stands as the fundamental pillar of any robust accounting system, offering a meticulously structured framework for categorizing and organizing financial transactions. It encompasses a thorough compilation of account titles and corresponding numbers, delineating distinct classifications for assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Picture it as an intricately arranged filing cabinet wherein every drawer correlates with a unique financial category, be it assets or expenses, and each file within it signifies a specific account, such as cash or sales revenue. This methodical organizational schema streamlines the process of recording and reporting financial data, ensuring precision and uniformity across all financial statements and transactions. A well structured chart of accounts is absolutely indispensable for accurate financial reporting, facilitating efficient data retrieval and enabling informed decision making processes within an organization, be it large or small. It serves as a cornerstone for sound financial management, establishing a coherent framework for recording various transactions and preparing comprehensive financial statements. Conversely, a poorly conceived chart of accounts has the potential to result in misclassification of transactions and financial perplexity, ultimately hindering the organization's capability to effectively track its financial performance over time. Integrating ChatGPT into your accounting workflows presents a transformative opportunity to redefine your approach to managing your chart of accounts. This cutting edge AI solution provides indispensable support in crafting a bespoke chart of accounts precisely aligned with your unique business requirements. Leveraging its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT can meticulously analyze transactional data and propose optimal account classifications. This significantly expedites the setup process of your chart of accounts. Moreover, also serves as a vigilant watchdog, adept at pinpointing any potential errors or discrepancies lurking within your financial records, thereby bolstering the overall accuracy and dependability of your financial reporting endeavors. Let's consider a scenario where you're establishing a chart of accounts tailored for a retail enterprise. Harnessing the power of ChatGPT, you gain the ability to swiftly compile a catalog of standard accounts pertinent to your industry, encompassing key categories like inventory, cost of goods sold, and sales revenue. Moreover, when confronted with intricate financial transactions necessitating nuanced classifications, ChatGPT stands ready to offer invaluable guidance, steering you towards the optimal method of categorizing such transactions within the framework of your chart of accounts. This dynamic assistance not only expedites the setup process but also enhances the precision and relevance of your chart of account structure to the specific demands of your retail operations. Incorporating ChatGPT into your accounting workflows delivers unparalleled assistance, especially for enterprises lacking a dedicated accounting department. Whether you're a burgeoning startup or a well established corporation, harnessing the capabilities of AI technology holds the potential to markedly enhance the efficiency and precision of your financial processes. By seamlessly integrating ChatGPT into your operations, you unlock a wealth of support and guidance, empowering your business to navigate complex financial landscape with confidence and proficiency. This transformative integration not only streamlines tasks but also fosters a culture of data-driven decision making, propelling your organization towards greater success and sustainability in the competitive business landscape. In summary, mastering the chart of accounts is crucial for establishing a solid foundation in accounting practices. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, you can optimize your chart of accounts design, streamline your financial processes, and make more informed business decisions. Stay tuned for the next module where we'll practically demonstrate how we can set up a chart of accounts using ChatGPT.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.